guys, what's going on with all of you? Back again with me on the YouTube channel Joan Sagala in the bodybuilding news. So today I got a couple interesting news guys for us today. So the first news is we talking about the Patrick Moore. Patrick Moore have preparing now for Mr. Olympia this year, and of course he's already qualified. Patrick Moore he's update his physique to all of us, and he looks like a really insane. He has the taking and growing so much size on his body, especially on upper body, and his back is really dominant now. Okay, I think the take message for Patrick and the homework for Patrick Moore, he's already have the so much size. He's already get big size, so he only need to be bring up his conditioning and bring his detail, and I think the detail he can easily get it because type of the people who really, I think, really easy to get the conditioning, to get the prepare. Okay, but I hope he really get the conditioning than he doing compete last time. Okay, but I would like to see the Patrick more because I think he'll still good and keep up the good work. Massive and really good job for Patrick Moore. So the second news is about Derek Lunsford, the 212 competitors from bodybuilding today. 212 competitor I think is one of the massive is Derek Lunsford. Derek Lunsford is really challenging for another guys, all of guy in the 212 division, because Derek Lunsford he's always improving so much day by day, time by time. I'm really following what his update physiques, and he looks really insane, especially still in his off season now. He's still switching the coach with the Hanny Rambot. That means Hanny Rambot is the coach Phil Heath and Hadi Choopan. I think Harry Rambut make it the Derek Lunsford look like the Hadi Choopan Junior, and I think that's good. That's massive because the one thing that I noticed from Derek Lunsford is he is really improving so much on his legs, on his lower body, and his upper body is not really really losing the size. His upper body is really good too. He massive so much on his upper body, but the more dominant he growing in on his lower body. So I would like to see what can Hani Rembot can bring up the 212. This champion Derek Lunsford can show up in the Mr. Olympia on stage this year. So that's guys, Patrick Moore and Derek Lunsford about we talking today. So I would like to see to bring more the information in the bodybuilding world. So don't forget to give this video thumbs up. Please follow along, like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna bring more the bodybuilding news in the world. Thank you so much again for watching. May God bless you all.